There's three, I'll call them powerful strategies we use with clients who want to invest with that multi-generational mindset. Number one, we talk about this a lot, Roth conversions. Pay our taxes now at lower brackets, okay? So if we're in especially the 12, 22% brackets, we should be obviously educationally driven and thinking this through, intentionally paying taxes. I know that sounds funny, but let's pay our taxes now at lower brackets, and that potentially saves the kids from inheriting an IRA that has to be drained in 10 years. And most of the time, here's what I find, most of the time when people inherit that IRA that they have to take over 10 years, they are taxed at their peak income levels. Think of your 50, 55-year-olds inheriting the IRA from their parents, right? They're making a bunch of money. They now have to take more out of an IRA. Taxes are going to get them. If we can intentionally pay now, let's do that. Number two, tax loss harvesting and step up in basis planning. I know that that's a lot of jargon there, but if you're holding assets or stocks that have grown, think about how we can maximize the step up in basis, it's called, when you pass away. So I'll leave it there. There are ways to plan around. If you have investments that are after tax that have grown, there are tools out there for legacy planning to make sure your family gets the most out of it. Okay. And then the third one here is, let's use the taxable account as a legacy vehicle. I kind of just mentioned that, but for most of you, if the goal isn't to spend everything, it's to build something and pass it on or do something else with it, right? That is not during your lifetime. And taxable accounts with long-term gains can be passed on. There's a reset in basis and used strategically. If that's too much, I apologize. We'll break it down more simply next time. But basically, again, if you have accounts that have grown significantly or even just a little bit and it's after-tax money, okay, you've already paid taxes, gone into an account, and it's growing. Number one, let's make sure it's titled properly. And number two, let's make sure the beneficiaries are correct so that we get that step up in basis, which we've done a different episode on.